Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can make a photo collage on your iPhone. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open up your shortcut application. Open it up. And just like that, once you're on the app, all you have to do is simply tap on gallery at the very bottom. And here simply tap on the search bar and then type in photo. Once you type it in, photo grid is gonna appear right over here. All you have to do is simply tap on this plus icon beside it. I have already tapped onto it, so it says tick mark. Simply tap onto it, and just like that, it will then be added. After that, tap on your library icon and then simply tap on photo grid. Once you tap onto it, it will ask you to choose a photo you want in your collage. Select 3 or 4 photos, however you want. Shortcut will automatically create a collage, and when it finishes up, and tap on this share icon. Then all you have to do is simply tap on save images. Just like that, it will then be saved on your gallery. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.